I'm going to show you how you can make money using just your phone and these two websites, Redbubble and Placeit. So Redbubble is a site that you can use to sell your designs on various products. As you can see, you literally just upload the designs and then people buy them, they do the rest. And Placeit, this is design templates that you can edit and then upload. So this is a template page and you can scroll down. You might have noticed already that I'm on my browser. This isn't an app. So whether you've got iPhone, Android or some other smartphone, you should be able to use it. And you can just scroll down and find one that you like, or you can search for something specific. I'm going to use this punk rock one as a template just to show you what it's like. So I'm going to click that and it shows you automatically the different styles that are available. So if you want to change it up, you can do, and I'm just going to click edit this template. I've used a lot of websites and apps, and this is one of the best and fastest. It's really well optimized for mobile use. So if you click the main image, you can move it around and you can see how quickly and smoothly that updates. Some of these are really laggy and bad, and you can resize it very easily. You can also scroll down and click edit and then change the colors. So I'm going to change this pink to green just to demonstrate, and I'm going to change the green mohawk to be black. You can see here it says pop punk cartoon. That's just the name of the graphic. It shows you some other things that you can select, and when you click something else like this skateboard, the colours will transfer over automatically. You can see that the green and black has transferred over. Same with this hand. When I click it, the colours have moved across, so that's really useful. And I'm just going to get rid of the keyword, press delete, and then put my own in. I've got an idea which I'm going to do, which is cactus. So it shows you all the different cactus images that are available. I'm going to scroll down until I find one that I like. I'm going to go with this weird smiley face cactus thing here. Tap that and it will literally just update automatically with the colours. Just drag it here and resize it a little bit, and we will change the text too, just tapping on it, and we can change the colour, which will change to white. I don't want that life part, so I'm just going to press the eye icon and change that to all caps, not a hugger. That's going to be my t-shirt or whatever design you want to put it on, whatever product. Make it bigger. I want it to be central on the t-shirt, so I'll just move it. It's got these nice useful lines that lets you know when it's central. The last thing I'm going to do is click colours, because I'm going to change the background and change it to be transparent so it looks great on any product. And that is it. It's very, very simple. You can edit these designs in literally like less than a minute. Press download, it will process the design and then come up saying tap here to download. And if you're on an iPhone, it will do this. So you just press and hold down on it and then press save image. And it looks like this in the pictures. Don't worry about the black background, the iPhone just does that. Obviously, if you're on a different phone, then it might be slightly different. And then we're going to go on Redbubble and click upload new work. And then you just select the image you've saved, press choose, and it uploads on Redbubble, and automatically it will be put on a range of different products. I think there's over 70 different products that you can put this on. And you just tap any product to edit the details. So we're going to change this colour, default colour down here to be black. And you can see that's how it will look on a shirt. We can also up here just change the profit margin, so however much money you want to make for a sale, and update any of the other details. If you want to change the scale of the image, you just hover over the scale and make it bigger or smaller, however you want. And you can see the range of products that it gets put on. There's all sorts of different things. And when you're done, you just press apply changes and it gets saved. And then what happens is customers go on Redbubble, find designs that they like yours, buy them, and then you get paid every time that you make a sale. And that gets paid out to you on PayPal or by bank transfer at the end of every month. So that was completely done on the phone within a couple of minutes. It would have been a lot faster if I wasn't talking you through every step of the way. Here's a similar design that's on sale at the moment. People are buying this. It makes around 86 sales every month. So this person's probably making $200-300 on this shirt alone. So this is just one example. Obviously, if you repeat the process, you'll be making more and more money every month. Make sure you subscribe if you're interested in making money online, and smash that like button if you found this helpful. If you want to learn more about passive income through print on demand, that is exactly what my channel's about, including how to find what sells, and there's other videos as well about how to make money using only your phone.